With cutting-edge technology, powerful features, and a wide range of products for a variety of applications, LG commercial-grade displays are one of the best options for digital signage installations of any application or complexity. Let's take a closer look at what they have to offer now. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel and you're watching the Look Digital Signage channel, where we're talking about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. As you already understood, today we'll talk about the professional line of digital signage displays from LG. Let's go to the most popular models and also check out the unique offers and advanced developments. But before we start, subscribe and push the bell so we don't miss the next equally interesting videos on our channel. Cool. So we start with the standard line of UltraHD LCD displays. In fact, it is represented by quite a large number of series, from which we have selected some of the most interesting. But before moving on to specific models, let's briefly go over the characteristics common to all LG displays of this type. Featuring Ultra HD support and LG's IPS screen technology, all displays in the lineup provide true-to-life images with rich colors and detail and wide viewing angles. High performance is ensured by the LG WebOS signage platform, upgraded in SoC and Web Engine. All models are designed to withstand commercial environments with extended operating hours and lifespan. Can be installed both horizontally and vertically. In addition, they all have attractive designs with thin bezel and width, saving space and enabling easy installation. It's also worth noting the extended 3-year warranty. Now to the specifics. The UL3GM series displays are an entry-level option, available in 3 sizes, and can become a versatile solution for medical institutions, gyms, offices, universities, and other locations whose working hours do not exceed 16 hours a day. It's worth noting the not very impressive brightness of 300 to 400 nits, depending on the size of the display, and the matrix lifetime of 30,000 hours. In contrast to these shortcomings is the price, which starts at just $800 for a 43-inch display. Unlike previous ones, the UH5 and E series displays are already available in 4 sizes, including 65 inches, support round-the-clock operation, have an increased brightness of 500 nits and a matrix lifetime of 50,000 hours. At the same time, 43-inch displays here will cost you only $100 more compared to the previous series, which, taking into account improved characteristics, looks like an extremely insignificant difference. All this makes the UH5 and E series perhaps the most balanced choice in terms of value for money today. Let's move on. With 700 nits of brightness, the UH7 and E series clearly conveys content that captures the public's attention, making it an excellent choice for marketing in airports, retail, shopping malls, and more. This is also facilitated by the conformal coating on the UH7 and E series power board and IP5X certified design, which protects the display from dust, humidity, and etc., ensuring reliable performance over time. A 43-inch display in this case will already cost around $1,300. Let's move on to another series of displays, which, unlike the flat panels mentioned above, have a specific form factor. This is the Ultra Stretch series, represented by displays of 37, 86 and 105 inches. The distinctive feature of which is a non-standard aspect ratio, like 21:9 or 58:9. They were created to deliver new forms of advertising and multiplexed information in widescreen format that delivers new experiences and captivates customers' attention. Their prices start at $1,300 for a 37-inch screen. Next, I propose to switch from LCD to proprietary LG OLED displays, which are distinguished by realistic images, achieved by stunning contrast and deep black tones. It is worth mentioning here that LG does not recommend using static content on this type of display, since the organic diodes on which their matrix is built are susceptible to burnout when the same static image is shown on the screen for a long time. Here, first of all, we need to highlight the ultralight wallpaper display 55EJ5KB with an incredible 150,000 to 1 contrast ratio and 400 nits of brightness. This display delivers picture quality in a sleek design that blends virtually seamlessly into your wall. Just 5mm thick and weighing 6.5 kilograms, this 55-inch display is an excellent solution for a corporate lobby, airport VIP lounge, or luxury jewelry store. If of course you're willing to pay around $6,000 for it. Another option here is the innovative transparent display 55EW5TKA. The secret of this type of display is that unlike their opaque OLED counterparts, they use transparent substrates, which allows light to pass through the display matrix unimpeded, creating the feeling that the content is floating in the air. This 55-inch touch display is perfect for events, retail merchandising, or museum installations. An impressive but still extremely expensive solution costing about $17,000. Now let's take a look at the display specific from an application point of view. For example, this 55XE4FM is designed for outdoor use. It has an outstanding brightness of 4000 nits, secured protection with IP56 design, IK10 certified protective glass, and is capable of operating in temperatures from -30 to +50 degrees Celsius. This display, costing about $7,000, is widely used at train stations, public transport stops, and city walking streets. The TNF5JB series touch displays are available in the three most common sizes for interactive cases: 32, 43, and 55 inches. They ensure effectiveness of interactive scenarios of any complexity, since they can simultaneously recognize up to 10 multi-touch points. The ability to work around the clock, coupled with open frame design that allows displays to be built into any decorative structures, makes this screen a versatile solution for museums, showrooms, and waiting areas. Prices start at $1,200 for a 32 inches model. Well, another type of display, the quality and advanced capabilities of which LG has been famous for many years. I'm talking about video walls. The flagship model 55VSH7J combines all the best that LG can offer today in the field of video wall installation. This includes an advanced virtually absent bezel measuring 0.44 millimeters, a brightness of 700 nits, and built-in daisy chain technology, which allows you to control video walls consisting of any number of displays using just one hardware player. This premium solution is perfect for shopping malls, cinemas, concept stores, and etc. Such displays will cost you around $4,000. Well, these are the models that I wanted to tell you about today. I just have to add that Look Digital Signage supports LG WebOS signage platform, which means it is fully compatible with LG commercial grade displays of any modification and purpose that can be managed remotely without the use of external media players. See it for yourself with our 14-day free trial, or book a demo to see all the features Look has to offer right now. That's all for today. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Meet us in the comments and in the new exciting videos of this channel. Bye.